managing partner with Heaven's Best Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning franchise. Heaven's Best is brand new to our FranServe portfolio, and we are thrilled to welcome them to the family. With more than 35 years in business, they offer a home-based opportunity with low startup costs and low royalty fees. They use environmentally safe products, and this brand is recession-proof and offers your client unlimited growth potential. Robert, thank you for taking the time to spend with us today. Again, welcome to FranServe. We are very excited to have you on board with us, and we're anxious to learn more about what Heaven's Best has to offer our clients. So I will mute my phone and let you give the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Michelle. Well, on behalf of the Heaven's Best team and the ownership group, we're very excited to come on board with FranServe. It's been about 3 weeks now, and have talked with some of the consultants and answered some emails, and we're very excited about coming on board with FranServe and making this a win-win on both sides. So as you pointed out, Michelle, Heaven's Best Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning franchise system has been around for 35 years, and we do have a proven process in cleaning and a proven track record, and a proven roadmap to help franchisees succeed and have great success. So this home shot is one of our franchisees up in the Boulder, Colorado area. This is a new layout that we just did over the past year with our new wraps on the van, and we're very excited, and the franchisees are very excited with the new look that we've kind of we've taken on since we become new owners just a little over 2 years ago. So Heaven's Best is out of Rexburg, Idaho, about 30 minutes northeast of Idaho Falls. Nice location for us from our corporate office, training center, and then also because we do formulate a lot of our chemicals, our warehouse where we formulate and ship everything is done right in Rexburg as well. And we are very close to Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and the Tetons. So a lot of our franchisees they depending on the time of year, they'll take an extra day or two and go up and explore some parts of the country that they maybe have never seen. So Kody Howard, great guy. I've been involved with the franchise since '99. Unfortunately, Kody got sick back in June of 16 and passed away about 4 or 5 months later. So I knew Kody, the founder, for about 17 years, and was very thankful to be a part of his team back in the day, and feel very blessed to be able to sit in his chair now as a managing partner from the ownership group and continue his legacy in Heaven's Best. Something that's very important versus our competitors is we were the first out there to offer an exclusive protected territory and fixed low royalty fees in our industry. So the easiest thing for us to do is sell by the county line. So there's definitive line or the city limits, and then we can go down from there. So the nice thing is versus our competitors, they do have something tangible that they own, not just a customer list that doesn't ensure that customer is going to call the new owner back. So very proud, and we've stayed strong and true to that model that was set up by Kody with the exclusive protected territory. And then of course, again, our fees are still, they've always been, they still are the lowest fees in the industry. It is a set dollar amount based off the population in the territory. And we do offer a generous population base to get somebody started. So very, very, very proud of those two items. And when we've done some surveys with Franchise Business Review and stuff in the past, those are a couple of the many things that the franchisees always point out that they appreciate in what drew them to Heaven's Best based off the protected territory and the royalty fee structure. Another thing that we're certainly very proud of, we do give you or give the franchisee a all-inclusive package. So our competitors will have territory fees, equipment fees, chemical cost fees, and and can feel like they're being nickel and dimed. And we don't believe in that. Our cost that you see on our account is an all-inclusive price. So we give everything. Everything is included with the franchise purchase, and you see that comes with, the full equipment package. And then we do give our cleaning solutions and cleaning products. They will gross over $20,000 in revenue based off the initial package that we do give them. We do partner up with a rather large internet company out of Chicago. That does all of our SEO website, website for 6 months. And so we do pay the startup cost. We do pay all the fees for the franchisee for the 6 months. And our franchisees are really loving the transition that we made from the previous company on the success, the online estimates that they are getting from this, from this company. Training is all included. Your hotel is all included as well while you're at training. And then, of course, the ongoing support from not only a mentor, which is one of the partners normally, but the neighboring franchisees are willing to help out because it is a team effort, and because they're not competing against each other like our competitors, then it can be a team effort, and guys will often help each other on rather large jobs versus losing the job to a competitor. So the team effort, we're really strong in promoting that. And of course, we do have in the company portal, we do have a bulletin board that's got 15 to 20 years worth of information, questions, answers, all of that stuff where people help each other. And then we do have a private Facebook group for the franchisees, and that's really taken off over the past year, where again, people, seasoned veterans, new franchisees will go on, ask questions, take pictures, show the pictures, and ask for help, comments, and stuff like that. So it really helps with the team atmosphere that we have. Kody Howard did have a background in chemistry. So as I said before, that a lot of our products are formulated in-house. Our main cleaning solution, we are very, very proud that we clean carpets and upholstery with, is environmentally friendly, it's eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, kid-friendly, pet safe. So babies, dogs, whatever, we don't have to worry about allergic reactions, rashes. The other big thing is it will not leave a residue in the carpet when it dries. We did have it tested by a large manufacturer in the United States with a chemist that I've become to know, and he said that he really hadn't seen a cleaning solution out there yet that lacked the resoiling that we did. Did like a 30-day trial in the tumbler, and he was amazed at the lack of resoiling. And of course, we don't have to worry about stains reappearing because of our cleaning process. So Kody Howard developed this solution, well, about 35 years ago. So it's been about 10 to 15 years, maybe, in that ballpark, that people started really becoming concerned about the environment, and chemicals and so forth. And so he was 15 to 20 years ahead of his time, and the industry's time. And again, today, nobody can match that. And so I am working with a chemist, and we actually have some ideas that potentially can make this product even better. So our franchisees love it, and we actually do have bottles that we do give out to the customers and stuff like that to maintain their carpet in between the cleanings, and stuff like that. International master franchise opportunities. As you can see on the slide is my cell phone and my email address. So we are actively being aggressive in pursuing master franchise opportunities on an international level. I've traveled abroad to some shows, and we do have some, high interest overseas. And I have actually reached out to some of your consultants overseas and starting the ball rolling. And if there's any of the consultants in the United States or wherever that would like to talk more, we do have a very attractive model that we've set up for international master franchise opportunities. So it can be a win-win situation in that aspect. So obviously selling off a full country is the ideal situation. The UK is sold right now. Canada is sold. There's interest in other parts of the world but we have not signed any deals. So we are open and would love to talk to anybody that has clients overseas that is interested in a large opportunity. We are veteran owned. I'm proud to say that I'm still in in the Air Force Reserves as a medic. So we are a veteran owned. We are a member of VetFran. And so we do provide military and first responder discounts. And so certainly I'm proud to be one of the owners and help run this company, but also it's an honor to put on the military uniform and serve our country, especially in these trying times. So we will support the military and the first responders any way possible. So obviously we've had some accolades through the years through Entrepreneur. There's some comparisons with Franchise Business Review. There was a number of years up through when Mr. Howard got sick that we were the franchisor of the year. Multiple years in a row that we took home that that award. So certainly very proud, and we've starting to partner up again with with Franchise Business Review and get that relationship going. So certainly proud of through the years the accolades and the awards that we've received on multiple levels from different organizations. And the last slide is our mission statement is to provide our new and repeat carpet and upholstery cleaning customers the best job they've ever had. To treat our franchisees and the sub-franchisees the way we would like to be treated, and to live up to the name, all-important name, Heaven's Best. We want people to be their own boss. I don't know that I could sit and point at one thing that could say that our ideal candidate as a franchisee. We have, wives that own franchises that do, 20,000 a month and better, doing the work themselves. We've had people graduate college and come right into buying a franchise and be very successful. Obviously, the people in the corporate world that are kind of done with the corporate world, want to be their own boss and control their own destiny. Great candidates. We work with a lot of those corporate people because of their 401ks. We can assist them in that nature. And I guess it is nice with FranServe because you guys have multiple lenders already that you've partnered with, so that's a great help. And looking at this bar graph, we're at 39,900 for the initial territory, and then our competitors, when all said and done, is 70, 80, 100,000 and above. And so certainly, again, 35 years of proven success, exclusive protected territories, fixed royalty fees, which is the lowest in the industry, all-inclusive training, support, hotel, everything is all included. And there is some bonuses that we do. We do provide some financial assistance to the franchisee for the cost of the installation of the wrap on their vehicle. And then we do provide a training stipend at the end of the week when they do graduate, and they do get their graduation certificate. There is a stipend that would have covered some travel costs and some meals and stuff like that at the end of the week. So that's something that the new ownership group we kind of came up with two years ago, and it's certainly appreciated by the new franchisees. So again, on I think slide 6 is my contact information. The corporate numbers on the vans, and my email address. And again, we are very excited to partner up with you guys and make this a win-win situation on both ends. So thank you very much, Michelle.
Thank you, Robert. That was a great presentation. And consultants, all of the information that Robert just mentioned as far as his contact information is on the support site. Go there, check it out, and reach out to him. He's happy to hear from you, and he wants to work with you guys to make a bunch of deals this year. So we look forward to a great relationship ahead and a lot of deals in 2020. So thank you so much, Robert. We appreciate it, and we'll talk soon.
Thank you, Michelle.
Okay, bye-bye.